How often does that happen?
Just go.
Just dad.
Hey guys, so we're a little bit wet right now. It's currently raining, summer in California. So for this video, we're going to be doing.
Why does my face look so fat?
So for this video, we are going to be doing Rain Olympics. So we're going to be having like, what is it, 4 or like 5 or something like that. First, we're going to be racing on these. There's a car. I don't like talking to phones when there's a car. My eyes look really big.
Your eyes are really big.
That one was like a tie practically.
It was really close, but I gotta give it to you. I think she was just slightly ahead.
Okay, I'm cool with that. Next one! So let's get started. Okay, round 2. We are going to be seeing who can make it all the way across the monkey bars
Without slipping.
And without slipping, the least amount of try.
Oh my god.
Your feet can't touch the ground. Touch the ground. Take 2. Take 3.
They're so wet.
Take 4.
This is way too fun.
How about we just stop now, and if I can get it in less than 5 takes, then I automatically win.
One more try.
All right, ready? Take 6.
Okay, no.
1. Take 1.
Oh, that's way harder than it looks.
I know.
It's so slippery.
I didn't get to do that. Ah, hell no. No.
Oh, if my hands get drier, maybe it'll be easier.
Okay. Take 3. Lift up your feet. Lift up your feet. Still take 3. Maddie, start on the freaking first bar.
Yeah, I'm getting sand in my eye.
Take 4. Take.
How about neither of us win? I don't like this.
And then we're gonna be doing who can
Oh,
make
you wanna say round 3 because we're
round
gonna
3.
section
Who can make the nicest portrait on the rainy sidewalk?
this out without it getting washed away. 60 seconds. Ready? Starting now. 1, 2, 3, 18, 19, 20, 34, 35, 50, 51, 52, 60. Done.
Okay, now come here and judge. So that's
This is mine, and this is Maddie's.
whoa.
Going in here, so the rain doesn't get on camera.
I think boom! Shaka! Laka! Boom!
That's one for me.
Round 4, we're gonna see who can hula hoop the longest in the rain. 2, 3. Okay, you won that round. Oh! Now we switch because you have the better hula hoop. Set, go.
Okay, you won that one.
Okay, one more.
Set, go.
See, this hula hoop's better. Kate's gonna count. We'll see who can last longer with this one.
Okay. I'm the hula hoop master.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Round 5. Who can hold their breath longest in the pool? Yeah.
This is weird.
Okay.
I love.
I suck. I swallowed water. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe below, and